Solving linear systems by graphing. So one way to solve if we have two linear systems and to see where they cross is to just graph them and see where those two lines intersect. But the first thing to do to graph, the easiest way is to put them in mx plus b format or to solve for y. So let's take this second equation. So we have x minus y equals 1, subtract x to both sides, negative y equals negative x plus 1, divide both sides by negative 1, and y equals x minus 1. That's the first line we have to graph. Taking this top line, we're going to solve for y. So first off, we're going to subtract 3x. So negative 2y equals negative 3x plus 6. Divide both sides by negative 2. And y equals 3/2 x minus 3. So these are the two lines that we're going to graph. So we have our coordinate system. Put on our scale factors. In this case, we're going to assume each line is a 1. Graphing the first one, our y-intercept puts us down at negative 1 on the y. Our slope of 1 means up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and we'll continue on in this pattern and get a line like this. Graphing this line, starting at negative 3, so 1, 2, 3, we're going to go up 3 over 2. So 1, 2, 3 over 2, 1, 2, 3 over 2. So notice how they both intersect at this point right here. This point happens to be the point 1, 2, 3, 4 in the x and 1, 2, 3 in the y. So the point 4, 3 is the solution or the place where these two lines intersect. A way to check this to see if this is really the point is remember, if we plug this into both equations, it has to make a true statement. So plugging in here, we get 3 equals 4 minus 1. 3 does indeed equal 3. Plugging it in here, we get 3 equals 3/2 times 4 minus 3. Does 3 equal? So this becomes 12 divided by 2 or 6. 3 equals 3 again. So these both come out to be a true statement if this is plugged in, meaning this is the point or the solution where they intersect. So one way to solve a linear system is to graph and see where they cross. The downside to this method is that sometimes it's hard to identify exactly where this point is from a picture on a graph.